Hi all, this video is showing my Huawei Honor 7 has some major problem in sound issue. I show you something. The phone is half playing music. It doesn't produce anything sound like this. Sometimes volume is high but one does not have any sound. It's playing music. Sometimes it has some volume high and song is playing. After the use of some minutes, the phone has some murmuring sound. It's not a problem on speaker complaint. I show you something. It's not a speaker complaint. It's not a speaker complaint.
ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ ഓപ്പൺ നെറ്റ്വർക്കായ എയർടെല്ലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. മൊബിലിറ്റിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒന്നമർത്തുക.
It's not a speaker complaint.
ലൈനിനും ബ്രോഡ്ബാൻഡിനും വേണ്ടി.
It's not a speaker complaint. For volume high, no sound. Yeah, sometimes it's murmuring sound. You heard this? Sometimes it's murmuring sound. Yeah, there is this one. Sometimes only the phone work. The main problem is I think this phone, the sound problem. Otherwise this phone is very good. Battery life is good, screen quality is good, high and super phone. But this sound problem is sometimes it's work and sometimes it's full of murmuring sound in my pocket. After the playing this song, put the music. Yeah, it's work. It's work. Then moving to this and I fully cancel and turn. Yeah, now it's work.